Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. And this video, I'm going to discuss about our Google Sheet and advanced option strategy. So this month, we are planning for a positional strategy. And due to that election result and exit poll, so we have a lot of stocks which triggered. And initially, we are taking some stocks for this month of June. Based on our concept positional trading concept. So some 15 stocks that already moved very well in both the sides. So in June contract, we have taken about REC, Titan, and PFC, and due to high volatility and sudden increase in the after exit poll, and then in the result day almost 1300 point down in Nifty. So such a scenarios we are ignoring, and also all the stocks IVs are very high. So for an example, REC 540 is our strike price for the month of this month. REC 540 is our strike price. Let me check how it moves, and how such a big move which is happening on this particular strike price. And you can see this is what a 31st closing price, almost 35 rupees, and from that 35 it went up to huge, almost uh, near about a 77. From there it came down to 13. So this is what gap up and gap down due to that result. So that's why we say you to avoid such a particular days and high expected volatility. But even if you are looking at an edging kind of strategy, this is a 33, now it is 13, and the put option REC put option 540. Let me check the what is the current price. This is what I put. So from that it went up to 126. And what is the closing price of that particular day is around 32. So almost 64 is the total premium. So if you are looking for a straddle, so 35 or 32, so almost 67. From that it went up to 126, the one particular leg. Another one has not became zero. So near about 128 it made a high. So hedging strategy, what we have learned on our advanced option strategy courses, that will be protective. So if you are doing even this high volatile scenario, so maybe whether you can do for a 2.1 or 3.2 also, that will be giving you such a good result. Why I'm taking this stock particularly, this is the stock where I was selecting for the month of June. That is the first number of stock, first one, and then Titan also be there in the list, and Canara Bank. So those who have watched Canara Bank, so from 118, it came down to nearby 96. Our expected level nearby 101, which we are looking for. So here, if you are doing an hedging kind of system, or either whatever the strategy which you have learned, almost 5 different hedging strategy which you are doing with an option or future or option with option, something like that, which we are done on our strategy. If you are applying such a strategy, it would be a better one, because naked trade, so maybe giving you a stop loss, but after the second trade, maybe if you are trying for a call option in REC. Okay, so let me go for both the sites we can look for. Here we are looking for a call option, and the same time, so REC put option 540. So this is for a study purpose to understand how the system works, and this is what a call option and how it moves down after the big rally. Okay, so let me check this. So here the premium for the call option is almost 35 and the put option is almost 33. But after that it went up to 78, and this time it moved maximum low of 7 rupees. So that particular time also the premium which increased almost 78 plus 7, almost 80 plus 80, 84 something it moved. And after the reversal which is happening in a downside, so 126, that time it made a low, maximum low is somewhere around 4.5. So almost 126, almost 130. The total premium is almost doubled, and what we are expecting in the premium movement is somewhere around 93 points. Okay, that moved on the particular stocks. Almost option premium is moved almost 900 rupees. Then the stock also moved what we have expected. Same thing which is happening on Canara Bank also. If you are looking for a Canara Bank, so the main thing, so hedging always be protected. So Canara Bank previous close is 118. From that it went up to 129. So what we are expecting the upside somewhere around 135, but upside doesn't reach near about 128, 129. But downside it came down to near about the low of 96. Then what we have expected almost 101. So most of the stocks like Bajaj, Finserv, right now it is moving. Bajaj Finserv is currently moving. And today, based on our Google Sheet scanner, I find some opportunity in Bajaj Finserv. It is an intraday. Okay, but what we are discussing here in the hedging strategy, it's purely based on the positional, and one of the student who are also did the workout for high IV and the low IV stocks, that is working very well. From this list, so we are finding a lot of opportunities, but hedging will work. But as of now, so as I told you earlier, so this is a huge volatile week. So simply avoid. And next week onwards, the premium is settled and Nifty IV also be currently around 17 to 18. So it is also reduced. So it may be a good opportunity where you can find out a fresh breakout on weekly basis based on our advanced option strategy concept. We can apply for a weekly positional trades too. That may be a better for this month instead of focusing a monthly positional strategy. So you can look for a weekly 1 or 2 entries up to next 2 or 3 weeks that we can utilize for an intraday. So it's mainly I'm just following intraday based on Camarilla R4 breakout. First three stocks which I've selected, then the quality and liquid stocks which I've selected, that should break the level on the second candle itself. Some stocks may trigger third candle or fourth candle or fifth candle, whatever the time it breaks. But mainly I'm just picking out some 3 to 4 stocks from this scanner, which helped me to find out some trades. Like today I was focusing on Titan, TCS, and one more stock that was not moved at Ashok Leyland. So I have already made a shorts video. And one more thing, so many people who are accessing our Google Sheet, but they don't know how to use it. But already I have a tutorial video I have already shared you, and that maybe you will not get how to select a stocks in a real time. Okay, so there is a tomorrow we have sorry Monday around 9:10. So we are planning for a webinar. So how to select stocks by using how to select options by using our Google Sheet for an intraday. So that is a webinar will be conducted on Monday morning. So if anyone interested, you can join that particular thing. That link available on my website. The website link will be available in description. You can go through and you can register for the webinar. And there I'm not providing any trading tips. I'm just giving you how I'm selecting the stocks and how effectively we can use that Google Sheet. Will help you to find out an intraday trade opportunity based on the scanner which we have created. Okay, so here strike price, entry price, everything will be mentioned. So how to select 1 or 2 opportunity for a month. I'm not going to take as today. Almost we have a 30, 35, 40 stocks which triggers our entry. I'm not going to take all 35, 40 stocks. How we can effectively filter 1 or 2 stocks from this list, and how we can make that trade opportunity by using our Google Sheet. That is the main concept and content which we are going to discuss on that webinar on Monday morning. So if you are really interested, you can enroll that and you can join that webinar also. Okay, so next week we will be focusing for a weekly sheet that will be maybe going to give you such a good result, because the IVR also settled on a Nifty, and overall the premium also be settled, and there is a good movement can be expected. So instead of focusing a monthly positional for the month of June, because many stocks which are already triggered. So we have seen almost many stocks which triggered on the put side. For example, 622 on HAL 4950. Okay, so let me go for HAL 4950. Maybe already triggered. You can see that high is around 1000 rupees. Maybe here our entry point, so where it is 622, and the 622 may be triggered here. That is a valid entry, and after the trigger it already achieved the target also, because huge volatile conditions we are not focusing, but many stock in put side already triggered. If you are looking for a new opportunity in put or a call, that may be earlier triggered and it may be a re-entry, and also we are going to pay higher premium for that. So don't want to go for a monthly for the month of June only. So you can utilize weekly positional. So webinar also be there, and you can join and register and join from my website, trade with AS, that is available in description. Okay, and monthly positional simply avoid, and weekly positional the new strike prices and entry prices that can be updated in this weekend, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, but it will be available for before market opening on Monday. So I hope you understood the concepts how we are using, and if you want to learn our advanced option strategy positional course, then you can also enroll. And currently we have taken a, so people who are don't have that time, so we have started a weekend batch. So if you want to join our weekend course every Sunday, so it will take 4 weeks or 4 to 5 weeks. Okay, you will be completing all the strategies. So session should be around 1 to 1.3 hours per session, and it should be an interactive session, and also will give you a workout, and you need to practice that also. Okay, that if anyone who don't have a time, so you can utilize this. That is the link also available. in my website. You can just go through it. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you're not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe. And any other questions or a doubt, just comment on the comment box. Thank you so much.